face me. And if you ain't talking about the money, somebody tell me, thug, get the fuck out my face with me. And I'm like, I'm so ATL. I'm so ATL. I'm so ATL. I'm so ATL.
We just got a new wig. We just got a new wig. We just got a new wig. Let's see who it's from. But we already know I know who it's from. I can't think of their name at the top of my head, so I'm going to put the name of this synthetic wig company in the description box or on the screen. Y'all know how we do. Me and my man are going to a restaurant in McDonough, Georgia called Pandora on the Square. I was actually invited by the owner to come and try their food because they just opened like 3-4 weeks ago. So they're trying to, get traction and, more customers going. And they actually seen a review that I did previously on a restaurant that I was just going to. And they hit me up in the DMs and was like, we want to work with you. So anyways, that's what I'm about to get ready to do. I just finished working at my 9 to 5. Still clocked in, but I'm done working and I'm about to install this wig, but y'all already know we're finna get it together. I do have a couple pros and cons with this unit. Of course, I'll tell y'all all about that at the end of the video. Let's go.
Give me one break, I need faith. Better believe you, better receive you. Give me something I'm lacking. I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only baby, I'm not. Make me your matter. Make me your matter. Show me a side. Make me a blessing. Make me a blessing. Give me one break, I need fair. Better believe you. Better receive you. Give me something I'm lacking. I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and 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 you. Only me.
Let the smoke clear. Mira. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing just the stars in both ears. Ice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the dollar in my shorty bag. No, she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not alone.
Okay, so this is the unit that we'll be reviewing today. I'm loving the colors. If you see these long pieces, this is just me mapping out where I'm going to put my edges and stuff. But it's a cute little, but I'm installing this baby. I'm loving the colors on this. Do y'all see that? The colors, yes.
I know you want to try to be I gave you the keys to my soul. And you still don't believe, baby, I know. He came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers. But he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks at a time, going grams to sing sing. Left arm, baby, mother's headed. 5-year been up north when they read it. Anyway,
Bring it over to my bed, beauty high, baby, so I don't beg. Bring it over to my bed, you don't know what you do to me. You body high, baby, speaks to me. I don't know what you do to me. You body high, baby, speaks to me.
and I see you put on me. Girl, your feelings way too real. You wanna do it like
Tryna see you put on me. That's why your mind's on fire. Tryna see you put on me. You need the feelings way too deep. Tryna see you put on me. That's why your mind's on fire.
Girl, take it easy, take it slow. You follow me everywhere that I go. I gave you the keys to my soul, and you still don't believe, baby, I know. Girl, I'm sick and tired of the drama. Don't let me take you back to your mama. 20 missed calls cause I'm not home. What you gonna do when you
Anyway, I
got
felt good, felt good. Put them on lock, seat belt them. Took them out to Belgium. Welcome. Bitches this pretty, that's seldom. This spot's better than
Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. I am loving like this color on my skin, like the whole blonde and brown and black. Like I've done this color before, but it was like years ago, and I loved it then, so I knew I was gonna love it now. Now when it comes to the pros and cons for this wig, I would definitely say that my pro would be that the hair was very easy to pluck. I didn't have really any problems with plucking the lace or the knots or anything like that, so that was definitely a pro. It didn't do as much as I wanted to do when it came to curling, but I mean, it looks like it can hold a curl, so I mean, that's a good thing, you know, for a synthetic wig. So those are my pros. Cons, y'all, when I say that this hair tangles so bad, like even me trying to like part it was very hard. Like trying to part this hair was very hard because parting it just made it tangle up even more. So if I was parting it, I had to be very careful with what I'm doing. Like even like doing all of that, like I can't even like run my hair through it without it, you know what I'm saying? That's worrying me. And it sheds a lot. Not a whole lot, but more than I would prefer. The shedding is very annoying, but I feel like something that irritates me the most would definitely be the tangling. Like the tangling is terrible. This wig is definitely giving Party City. But if you need something quick to wear because you got something to do and you ain't trying to spend a whole bunch of money, then sure, because this is something that is not going to last you a long time. Okay, like even when I sprayed my detangler wig spray on there for, you know, synthetic wigs and stuff, it was still tangling so bad, and usually that stuff works like that, but it was not working for this wig. So I would suggest you get this wig only if you are wearing it for short-term wear, a day, maybe 2, but that's all you're gonna get out of this unit. But yeah, I mean, it's a wig, honey. We got to do what we got to do. But anyways, I got to go so I can go review this restaurant. Of course, I'm gonna let y'all know how it is because I'm gonna record that experience as well. Of course, if you would like to try this wig for short-term wear, okay, or just for a little look, a little 1-2, I'll have the details for this unit down in the description box. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye bye.